From ToffeeTV.com, Fakir Khana. Fakir Khana is the private museum of the Fakir family of Lahore. In fact, it is one of the largest private museums in South Asia. Considered a hidden treasure of art, Fakir Khana is located in Bhatti Gate in Lahore. The museum gives the visitor interesting information on the culture and history of Punjab from the 18th to 20th centuries. The family opened their house as a museum open to the public in 1901. The house in which the museum is located is a good example of what upper-class lifestyle was like during the Sikh and British eras. The house was originally owned by Raja Todar Mal. He was the finance minister to the Mughal Emperor Akbar. The exhibits of the museum include gifts from Queen Victoria and Maharaja Ranjit Singh to Fakir Sayyid Azizuddin and Fakir Sayyid Nuruddin, who were ministers in his court. The museum also has 20,000 art pieces and artifacts, 10,000 manuscripts, and 180 displayed miniature paintings. It houses textiles from the Sikh era, pottery, and carved ivory pieces. The collection also has a 12 by 6 inch painting of Nawab Mumtaz Ali that was painted with a single hair and took 15 years to complete. It also houses a small collection of Gandharan artifacts. The museum is currently managed by the members of the Fakir family, and visitations are by appointment only. There's always something new at Toffee TV. Like and share tons of videos. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. ToffeeTV.com